Let's talk about gut health today. So if you're having any problems with your skin, your hair, whether it is acne, dull or dry skin, or rashes, itchiness or hair fall, or if you're having problems with your weight, if you're struggling to really lose weight or even gain weight, if you're having constant fatigue, if you're having constant mood swings, you feel low, depressed, anxiety, anxious, everything, if you're having constant mood swings, if you're having sleep disturbances, if you're having food sensitivities, intolerances, if you're having low immunity, everything is connected to a poor gut health. In fact, your gut is the second brain in your body. It is rightly said that every disease begins from your gut, or you can say that every disease begins from an unhealthy gut. Whether it is IBS, whether it is diabetes, Hashimoto's thyroid, whether it is arthritis, whether it is any food sensitivity intolerance, whether it is digestive issues like your chronic constipation, chronic acidity, bloating, whether it is lupus, whether it is cancer, whether it is eczema, psoriasis, whether it is all your autoimmune diseases, inflammatory diseases, everything is connected to a poor or unhealthy gut. So if you're having any of these problems, your supreme priority should be to take care of your gut health, to improve your gut health, to fix your gut health. And in this video, I'll be talking about how to really improve your gut health naturally. So if you really want to know and if you really want to work on your gut health, then stay with me in this video till the end. Hi, this is Priyanka Gupta and welcome to my channel. Why is gut health so important? Gut health is just not important for your physical health, but it's also important for your mental health, because your gut and the brain has a direct connection to each other through cranial nerves in the body. So therefore it completely influences your mood. Also, it is important for your immunity. Your immunity is mostly dependent on your gut health. So if you're having a poor or a weak gut, you will also have a low or a weak immunity. Therefore, you're going to be more prone to infections and diseases. And like I said, every disease begins from an unhealthy gut. So it is therefore extremely important for you to really take care of your gut health. Plus, if you're having an unhealthy gut, you will also face malabsorption of nutrients because there will be poor digestion and absorption. So therefore, improving your gut health should be your supreme priority. Now let's talk about the ways to really improve your gut health, how to really improve gut health naturally. Starting from number 1, ensure a well-balanced diet. A well-balanced diet including variety of food groups like your whole grains, pulses, legumes, nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetables, cold pressed oils, all of these when included in your diet in a balanced way will ensure a good functioning of your gut health. Number 2 is to include probiotics in your diet. Now probiotics are basically healthy live bacteria which is required by your gut to function the best way. And in fact, this is important for you to increase the good bacteria count in your gut for it's improving the gut health and the gut microbiome. Your gut microbiome already consists of good and bad bacteria, but it is important for you to maintain in the right balance. When your bad bacteria count increases and the good bacteria count in the gut, it disrupts the gut microbiome and disrupting the gut health. Therefore, it is important for you to increase the good bacteria count for improving your gut health, for which you can always include probiotics in your regular diet. Natural food sources of probiotics includes your homemade yogurt, and I think this is one of the best probiotic foods that's available. So you can include homemade yogurt in your regular diet for your probiotic bacteria. Then other examples include your buttermilk, fresh cheese, rice kanji, homemade pickles, especially when prepared with the right quality as well as quantity of oil. Then you have kefir, you have sauerkraut, kimchi, all these are fermented cabbage. You have kombucha, which is a fermented green tea. All of these are great sources of your probiotic bacteria, and this will help in increasing your good bacteria in the gut for improving your gut health. At number 3, we have include prebiotics in your diet. Now, even if you're taking probiotics, it is nothing without prebiotics. Your probiotics literally require prebiotics for it to function, because the probiotic bacteria feeds on this prebiotic fiber for it to grow and flourish. So prebiotic is a type of a fiber which is very essential to be included in your diet. And the examples include your onion, your garlic, apple, banana, oats. Then you have flax seeds, you have dandelion roots, chicory root, then even rock cow. All these are great examples of your prebiotic fiber. At number 4, we basically have all about sugar and the refined carbs. Now what really leads to an unhealthy gut? The leading cause is your sugar, simple carbs like your refined carbs, processed foods, junk food, packaged foods, artificial sweeteners. Now all of these things basically spoil or deteriorate your gut health. It makes your gut weak by increasing the bad bacteria count in your gut, because your bad bacteria basically feeds on this sugar and simple carbs for it to grow. So that basically whenever you're consuming sugar, you're actually feeding the bad bacteria to grow, and more the bad bacteria count increases in your gut, it asks you for sugar, so you crave for more and more of sugar. So that is the reason why you have that insane sugar cravings or irresistible sugar cravings. It means that you might be having an increased bad bacterial load in your gut. So your 4th point is basically to avoid sugar, refined carbs and artificial sweeteners. Next is your stress management. Now stress has a direct impact on every system in your body, including your digestive system as well. And your gut and the brain has a direct connection, is connected through the cranial nerves in the body. So therefore chronic or constant stress or anxiety can directly impact your gut health. It can impact the ability of you to digest and absorb the food. So therefore it is important for you to manage your stress effectively, and you can try including meditation, yoga, pranayam, deep breathing and all for managing your stress effectively. Next is to be more physically active. Now sedentary lifestyle can again be a problem for your gut health. It can lead to a poor gut health because your gut requires constant blood circulation, oxygen and nutrients for it to function the right way. And being physically active or exercise can actually help with that constant blood circulation along with oxygen and nutrient transport, therefore improving your gut health. So do include some kind of physical activity or try to be more physically active in your day for that constant blood circulation. These were the 6 natural ways in which you can really improve your gut health. I would also like to mention here that constant use, or you can say irrational use of antibiotics may also damage your gut health, because antibiotics are designed to really work for a wide spectrum, a wide range of bacteria in your body. So it just does not only kill the bad bacteria, but it can also attack the good bacteria and can wipe out the good bacteria from your gut. Therefore, again imbalancing your gut microbiome. So it is very important that whenever you are taking an antibiotic, you are also supplying yourself with the right probiotic, either through food sources or a very good quality supplement to really maintain that gut flora and to prevent spoiling of your gut health. That's all for today. I really hope that you really like this video and do try out all these natural ways that I've talked about today in this video, and let me know in the comment section below, letting me know that how it really worked for you. And if you really like this video, then please drop in your like, drop in your comments and share. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my future videos. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay happy, stay nourished, and always keep it simple, smart and effective.